You don't lose focus because your brain is weak. You lose it because your dopamine baseline is constantly flooded. Every notification, every scroll, every micro hit pushes your brain above its natural resting level. And a flooded baseline makes deep focus biologically impossible. Dopamine isn't about pleasure, it's about signal to noise. A stable baseline means the brain can detect what's important and ignore what's not. But constant stimulation raises the noise floor. Your brain can't distinguish meaningful tasks from quick dopamine hits. So the moment you sit down to work, your system searches for something louder, something that spikes higher than your current baseline. That's why scrolling feels easier than writing. Your brain isn't choosing laziness. It's following the physics of dopamine stability. Visualize your day through a simple loop: input, spike, crash, search; input, a trigger, swipe, ping, novelty; spike, dopamine jumps; crash, it falls below baseline; search, the brain hunts for another hit to restore balance. Do this loop often enough and you're not distracted. You're physiologically locked into a cycle where deep focus cannot compete. To restore focus, you don't need more motivation. You need fewer unnecessary spikes. Habit 1. The 60-minute morning dopamine fast. Your first hour is your baseline reset. Silence notifications, no scrolling, no novelty. Let your dopamine stabilize before you expose it to stimulation. This single hour changes the entire day's attention curve. Habit 2. The single-task workspace. Reduce visual dopamine triggers. Every open tab, every visible device, every icon is a micro-stimulus. Strip your workspace down to the task, the tool, and nothing else. Less environmental noise equals fewer baseline spikes. Habit 3. The controlled reward window. Don't let dopamine hits scatter across the day. Cluster them. Choose a 30 to 45-minute evening window for high-stim inputs: social media, entertainment, novelty. You contain the spikes instead of letting them erode your baseline throughout the day. Your focus isn't missing, it's masked. The question is simple: what's flooding your dopamine baseline without you noticing?